Sige, start na. Good morning. Wala pa ibang tropa.
Shake, badi dali.
Okay, ayan o. Invited sila.
Oh, formation na, yan. Simulaan tayo. As tatay. Wait, si tatay. Tay, join na kayo.
That's how it is a miracle, that's right. Come on now, pick up those 4 easy moves, you know them. Let's just give them a quick rehearsal. Walking in place, I wait for my beat, I listen for my speed. It's 4, and 3, and 2. Hey guys, just step out. We'll go right into our easy moves, side steps. And even later on, we build these into much bigger
Nasa YouTube tayo. Nasa YouTube tayo.
So
Mamaya, i-upload ko.
Out together, 4 and 3 and 2. We always go back to walking and walk. Good, kicks are coming. 4 and 3 and 2. An easy kick. Just go ahead. Any leg you do, don't worry, is it right or left? Keeping yourself moving to the beat. That's how you get fit. It's not worrying about learning steps. It's not the steps that even get you fit. It's the speed. Keep the pace. Even if you're walking all the way through it, you'll get fit. 4 more counts. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. Walk, 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 walk. Again. Back to walking in between. Pick up feet a little bit higher. Nice. You're ready to go 5. Yeah. Thank you, doll. Wonderful. Come on. And 4 and 3. Knee lifts ready. So a knee lift. All you do is make sure you've got a really strong and stable core. The way you do that is simply to take the belly button, draw it back toward the spine, you flatten up that deep muscle. Oh my goodness, that's it. You lock in your core, you're ready to move with big movements. That's where that power's coming from the middle. Here's 4, here's 3, here's 2, walk, 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 walk. Good job, nice. All right, we're gonna move around already. All ready to go, Carrie, Nick, yes. Nice. 2 up, 2 back. So let's go, guys. Let's get in motion right away. It's 1 and 2. Just stretch your legs out. And move the furniture. It's going to be a sweaty one. Yeah, it's going to have a little room. And back. And 2. Good. Go 1 and 2. Back up and 1 and 2. Good. Go 1 and 2. And back. Let's do it again. One more time. Up and back. And right here, guys. Pick up your feet a little bit higher. Open up. We'll go right into kickbacks. Give me 4 more. There's 4 and 3 and 2. Now kickback. Roll your little heels. Hamstring curl. Good. Allow the arms to just relax for now. We're getting muscle warm. We'll get a little juice in the joints. You want to feel good in a full range of motion. The body, the joints, like release a little bit of lubrication as they warm up. That's how you feel so good. When you're in that full range, that big flexible movement. Back 2 more. Here's 1, here's 2. Let's walk. Walk, walk, walk. Nice. Walk tall. Pump those arms a little bit now. Every like 30 seconds, you get warmer and warmer. Well, yeah, as you do. Exactly. Come on, feet. Walk to the beat. Nice. Kicks are coming back. 4 and 3 and 2. Tight tummy and in. Get that leg up there a little bit higher now. Just a bit. Let the arms come toward the feet. That's it. You can feel body temperatures raising. It only takes a few minutes to warm up safely. And then we're ready to just take off and move as strong as we want. Nice. There's a kick and a kick, kick. 2 more kicks. Here's 1 and 2. Walk, walk, walk. Nice. Go arms. Boosted walking, you know it. I love it. I was going to say you love it, but you know, we all know the benefit. It's so awesome to take the body into a work phase and a recovery phase. We're doing it right now. Hey guys, real light. Start a gentle jog. Yeah, start a gentle jog. Good. I know it. Just You know, if there's any reason somebody says, hey, I cannot get into high impact, I want to show them. You keep going. I'm going to show. You stay on the higher impact. When you cannot do high impact, do this. Hold up that air. Okay, now. There you go. No, you go right ahead.
Picture.
Just go on up to 4, guys. 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, back up. 4, 3, 2, and plus the 4. Almost to recovery. 4. Okay, guys. Recovery, go. Down. Just heel. 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 Go. Heel. Blow out right there. Blow. Empty your lungs out a lot. Help your body adjust. 8 more counts. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, gentle jar. There you go. 4 back. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, and let's go. 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, and place. 4, 3, here we go. In place. 4, 3, 2, and now 4, 3, 2, in place. 4, recovering, ready, down. Nice. Here we go. That's it. Fast walking burns a bunch of calories. So good. Walk, walk, walk. I always need that few seconds to get my pace, get my speed, get my beat. Got it. 4, 3. Nice, nice, nice. Hey guys, start a little bounce with me. Bounce to the beat.
Teka muna.
Ah, sige. Pagka hindi kaya.
Ngayon lang ako naka-araro sa ganyan.
Alalay lang kayo.
Kasi mga na-stop din yung mga tama natin.
Alalay lang.
3, 2, 1 more, 4. Just walk. 4, 3.
Relax na kayo.
Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1 more, 4. Go. 1, 2. Bounce. This time, side step. 4, go. 4, 3, 2, 4, 3. Side step. 4, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 4, 3. Side step. 4. Come on, go. 2, 3. Bounce. 4. Last set, everybody. Side step. 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Bounce. 4. We're done. 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. Yeah. Nice, guys. Nice. Turn your hip to the front. Turn it right to the screen at home. All we're going to do is do a little shift. To kind of get up on the balls of your feet. Lighten up on your feet. Your hip comes forward and back. We're going to add some punch. Hold one arm strong. Go right ahead. Extend the arms into a little punch. Come on, go punch. Punch. Every time the hip comes forward, punch. Punch. 8 more. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. It does feel like a little surfboard, huh? Do you ever do that stand-up paddle? Do you ever do that yet? No, not yet. You start. Okay, you start. Good, good, good. Four, 3, turn the hips. Good. Just a little shift. So get light on the feet. Here it comes. Shift your weight. Hips go forward and back. Yeah. Come on. One arm strong for the anchor. Go, Nick. Get ready for the punch. Here it comes. Ready? Punch it now. Punch. Extend the arm. Straight out. Straight out. One arm strong and hold you stable. The other one's flying. Go. 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 How about just 4 more good ones? 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Nice. Woo! Really feel good. Wow, that heart rate is up. That's when the body's getting so challenged. You're burning a ton of calories. The muscles are active. The heart and lungs are working strong. Nice. Yes. Come on, that is the way to walk yourself healthy. Keep doing it. Let's get a little more cardio in. Pick up feet. Feet, 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 feet. Let's give it a little stretch, guys. Inhale up. Exhale. Good. This is a nice time in the workout to even get some full range of motion. Lengthen the body. Let's go up one more time. I love it. And then big, deep breathing, too. while those feet are moving. Oh, I love it. Hey, a little back stroke. Just take your arms and throw them back. Nice. Like that. It's just a big range of motion. That's what I love. I love to feel good in that full range. Woo, last two. All right, now just a walk. Good. Open up feet, kickbacks. Okay, lift the heel, hamstring curl. Lift the heel, there you go. Hamstring initiates the move. Sit into it, guys. Talk to those thighs. Come on, fire them up. There you go. Nice. We're going to move around a little with kickbacks. 4 counts forward. There you go. 3 and 4. Back up. 4, 3, 2. Extend the arms. Keep them there. 3 and 4. Back up. 4, 3, 2. Come on forward. Here we go. 4, 3 and 2. Back up. You are activating core muscle just by throwing those hands to the front. I'll tell you when to pull back. Not yet. 4, 3, 2. Now, 4 up. Here we go. Now, start the arms. Pull. Back up. 4, 3. One more time. Forward. Back it up for 4, 3. Walk. You got that. Good. Nice. All the muscle in all the directions. I love it. Hey guys, step and tap. You're going to step and tap 2 times forward, 2 times back. Get the path of motion first. 3 and 4, 3. My leg didn't want to go yet. Now it does. Step, tap. There we go. We got it. Step, tap. It's step, tap. Now, step and tap. Get the path of motion going first. You feel good knowing what you have to do with your feet, right? Like that. Anytime you want, add a knee lift, guys. Anytime. Step, knee. Hey. Step, knee. Yeah, there you go. Lift. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Hey, 1, 2, 3. And 2, 3. Step, knee. You got it. Step, knee. That is just, that's the way. That is the way. You got it. Oh, Carrie, go, my girl. Woo. I love that. Carrie's got the box, honey. Nice. Step, knee. Last one. Hey, come on back. Walk. Wow, that is the walk. Ready to go. Nice. Hey, guys, let's go right back to kickbacks. Open up your feet. Open up. We're going to do 4 kickbacks and 4 knee lifts to the front. Watch it first. Join us when you're ready. Let's do kickback now. Here's 4, 3, 2. Now lift the knee, so bring it up. The feet stay wide. Go back to kickback. Go. 4, 3. All right, now your arms go to your hips, but knees. Now kick back to 4, 3, 2. Knees, hands here. Hands. Good. Kick back. Go. 2, 3. Here's arms. 1, 2, 3. Kick back. 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Hands, hips. Last time. Kick back. 1 and 2, 3. And that's it. Walk. Whoa. Good. Kick in. Come on. Power walk. Extend arms way up and all the way down. All the way up. All the way down. Real strong. Real long. Real lean. I love that. It feels so long and tall. All the way up. All the way down. All the way up. All the way down. Back stroke. Back. Full range of motion. Come on. 8, 4, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3. I love when we sweat together. Because I can just feel my sweat. I love it. Keep walking, everybody. Feels so good. Yeah. Come on. Power walk now. Yes. And step taps coming. Give me 4, 3, 2. Step tap, everybody. Step tap. Anytime. Knee. Anytime. Go. Hey. Good job. Blow out that air. And all the way back. One more time. Up. You got it. And back to a walk. Always to a walk. Hey, guys, we're going to do 4 side steps. So, a little bit of room at home. You want to get off to the side. 4 side steps this way. 4 side steps that way. We're going to get those legs moving. Ready? 4. Let me get my pace. I hear it when my foot doesn't land on that beat. I need a second to grab There we go. We go 4, 3. I got it this time. We're going now. Out together, out together, out together, back. Out together, out together, out together, back. Out together, out together. Yeah. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead. Pick up that other foot. Let it lead. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love the lateral movement. Good for the body. Those hips. Yeah. Good. 3, 4. Now 1, 2. I love when they crack each other up. Last set. Go strong. Come on. Woo. You need your balance on this. Up. Got it. Nice. Ted, Tommy, ready for kicks? Here we go, guys. Kick strong. Now really, lock in your belly. Belly button toward the spine. Beautiful alignment. I want your back to be long and tall. Your core to be stable. Reach for your feet. Reach. Power kick. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk. You did that. Yep. Little bounce. Bounce. Arms up and up. Ready? We're going now. Up and up and up and down. Let's go. 8 and 7, 6, 5, 4. Real strong, real long. Come on, stretch out. Reach out. Stretch out. Walk. Woo, there we go on this. Nice. 4 counts up, 4 counts back. Big walk. Here goes. 4, 3, 2. Back up. Good. Toward the screen. Come toward the screen. 3, 4. Back up. Go. It's just a fast walk. Go. 2, 3, and 4. I love the stretch out around the room. I love it. 3, 4. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back up. 4, 3, 2. Good job. 2, 3. Work on 4. Back. 2, 3. Last time up. Go. I like to feel a little wind, you know? Down. Walk, easy walk, guys. And a power walk. Woo! Nice. And go. That heart rate is strong. It's where you need it to be to have a stronger heart, stronger lungs, improved muscle tone, stronger bones. Everything gets healthy when you speed walk, when you fitness walk. You're doing it today. Come on. Pick up those feet. Nice. Tap out's coming. 4 and 3 and 2 and ready. Here's tap out now. Tap out. Sit low. Then we're going to follow those feet with the arms like this. Here we go. Follow the feet. That's all you do. Extend the arm. Go. You are walking yourself healthy. You're walking yourself strong. You're walking yourself happy. Yes. You're walking yourself smart. Oh, yes. It affects the brain when we get up and move. Chemicals in the brain, they absolutely trigger a more focused response. You're more focused. You're more creative. Come on, you got to get up and fitness walk. 3, 4, 5 times a week. That's what I want you to do. 4, 3. Walk. Whatever your goals. If you want to maintain good health, I think 3 times a week are going to be strong for you. If you want to lose weight, 4 or 5 fitness walks a week, I know you're going to say, I love how this feels. I love the results. Hey, arms, ready? Up high. Let's go. Up and up and up and up. This is a fitness system to get you results. It's not a fitness walk, for just, I don't know, just for recreation. I think that's healthy for you, though. When you want to go out and walk around the neighborhood, please do it. It's so healthy. But I promise you, this is the type of walking that gets you results. 4, 3, 2. Walk. Arms are down. Arms down. Power walk. Wow. Strong. All the basics are so good. And I love to end a real basic session with HIIT. And that's high intensity. My feet just started going. High intensity interval training. I call it boosted walking. We're going to work and we're going to recover. It's so efficient in giving you a big high-calorie burn. Yes. So let's do it, everybody. 4 counts back. 4 in place. 4, 3. Ready? Back up. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. In place. Stay here, guys. Stay here. 4, 3, 2. Here it comes up. Here we go. 4 and 3 and 2. In place for 4. 4, 3, 2. Back up. Let's go. Oh, I'm coming with you. I'm coming with you. I love it. I just miss everybody. I'm all alone up there. You know what? I don't want to be all alone up there all the time. I've got to be back here with my buddies. Come on, let's go. Yay! Woo! 4 and 3, recovery ready. There we go, recover. Tight tummy, guys. Blow out that air. Nice. I just went for a little visit. Oh, yes. I just felt like visiting. Thank you, I could come back. Yeah. How nice when you're welcome back. 2 more guys. Gently start a little boost. It's a boosted walk. Pick up the feet. It's gentle jogging. We're going back 4. 4 in place. 4 and 3 and ready. Back it up. I love the back up muscles. Woo. And 4 right here. Go 4. Back 3. 2 back up muscles. 4, 3, 2. Come on, you're strong. Come on. Ready? Back up. Let's go. 2, 3, 4 in place. 4, 3, 2. Come on up. 4, 3, 2. That's the way. That's the way to be strong. 2 and 3, 4. Back up. And 4 right here. 4, 3. Last time up, everybody goes. Yes. And 2, 3. Recovery. Come on. Blow out that air. Blow. You got to take a few seconds for recovery. Nice. Hey, I'll take that beat. Yes. There we go. That's it, Suze. Let's just go. Go with it. That's it. Nice, everybody. Blow out that air. Feels so good. Catch the beat. A little bit faster. Just a bit. Walk, 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 walk. Got it. Walk, 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 walk. Tap out. Everybody, tap out is coming. Ready? 4 more counts. 4 and 3 and 2. Tap out. Don't I say it like it's a visitor coming? Like, you know, somebody's coming to visit. It's tap out. Yeah, tap out. Tap out. Hey guys, follow the feet. Here we go. Hey. Extend the arm. Here we go. And keep it nice and long. Sit down into it. Extend the leg. Come on, real long legs. Real long. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. You got it. Arms up and out. Arms up and out. Let's go. Up and down. And up. You just and down. 4, 3, 2. Arms down. Power walk. Power walk. Yeah. Very good. Oh, feet kick back. And just give me 4 more and then kick back. 4, 3. Ready. Kick back. Did you sit down in? And hamstring curl. Raise those hands to heaven. This is really the time to be so thankful for your good health. You're so strong. You're in the 5th mile. Get ready to pull down, everybody. Ready? That's it. Every time I throw my hands up, I think how grateful I am. Yes. Come on. 4, 3. Just give me 4 more from here. Let's go. 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. Yes. Grateful I am for good health in my life. So grateful that I can help you make healthy choices. So grateful that I have these beautiful friends with me. Oh, man. And I thank you all so much, guys. Love you. Yeah, I'll tell you, I just love every one of them here. 2 up and 2 back. I know you've seen them in the other walk at home workouts. They've really become our friends, and I'm sure for you at home, too. Come on, fast feet, fast feet. 2 and 1 and 2. Good. 1 and 2 and back. 2. Come on, go. It feels so good to make a good choice today. You know, I know what's going to happen today, though. You decided to walk. You did a big 5-mile walk, and you're going to make good choices in your meals today. I just know it. It happens naturally. One good choice always leads to another. I just know it. My goodness, and all of a sudden you feel so good. Last time. All right, stay right here. You know, when you've got a plan, you feel like you can get in control. Stay on your plan. Yes. Hey guys, we're going to do knee lifts. Just singles. Here they come now. Knees and knees. Hands to the hips. Here we go. That's nice. Raise them high. Raise them high. Nice. Yeah. Raise them high. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. We got it. Nice. Double side steps. 4, 3, double. Ready? Here we go. Step out 2 times. Come on back. 2. Okay. Open, close. Open, close. Out together. Go, go, go. Oh, yes, God. Go there. Out together, out together. Out. Goodness. And out together, out together. Change the arms. Reach over again. Here we go. Reach up. Reach, 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 reach. Come on. Strong to the end. Strong to the end. 1, 2, 1, 2. Last time. Just walk. Just walk. Walk. Nice. Kicks are coming. Strong kicks. Nice, everybody. Ready? Just kick right here. Kick. Tight tummy. Stay long in the core. Don't tip back. Good. Real strong. Nice. Kick and kick. Reach for those feet. Come on. Reach. 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 5, 6. Walk, 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 walk. We got it now. The side step. Here we go. Up together. Up together.
Up, together, up.
On this one, heart rate has to start coming down now. Out together, out together. Way in the beginning, mile 1, you had your warm-up walk. You gradually built your heart rate up. We kept it high for a long time. Now this is where the heart rate and the breathing come back to normal. You want to get your heart rate down to where it was back in the first mile. 4, 3, 2. Just an easy walk, guys. Just easy. Easy. 2 up, 2 back. All you do is walk. Very gentle. 2. Good. 1 and 2. Back. 2 again. Up. 2. Back. 2. Last time. Up and 2 and back. Just easy walk. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Nikki, Carrie, Nick, Camilla. So cool. It's just we Jim. I'll tell you. Susie, Maxine, Marvin, Wendy. I'll tell you, it's my dream team. They're my dream team. Walk easy. I love you. Very little generous kicks. I love you right back, doll. I'm so due. Kick. Nice and easy kick. And kick. And kick. And kick. Good. Easy kicks. Blow out that air. Do you already feel like you're getting your breathing back to normal? Heart rate is lowering. Boy, is that a good sign of fitness. Wow. When we recover fast, it means you're strong. You are strong. Now, don't worry, though. If you're just kind of getting used to exercise on a regular basis again, and you're trying to just get your good endurance back, that heart rate will start to adjust. You'll see that fitness happens naturally. You don't have to be worried about it or anxious. Just keep showing up for your walks. It just happens. You get a better life. You get a healthy life. I never want to be without my walking program. Never, never, never. As long as I'm blessed to live, I want to keep walking strong. What a gift. Nice and easy walks, guys. Nice and easy. Open up those feet, guys. Here comes the stretch. Bend the knees, tight tummy, reach way up there. All the way down. All the way up. Halfway down, and we're closing up. Close up. Stretch across the back. Open up. Stretch across the front. And let's go one side. Just reach high. You don't have to tip over too much. Just real long on the side. Real long. And the other side. Real long. Nice job, everybody. Turn to the side. Heel into the floor. Nice stretch for the calf. Lean forward. All right, now take your chest down toward your thigh. You can put your hand on the thigh for support. Go a little deep, guys. You're going to get into the hamstring. Low back. Very nice. All the way down the leg. Blow out that air. We're going up, back up. Turn to the other side. Same thing. If you put the heel into the floor, and then just a little adjustment there so you're sure you have a good stretch in the calf. Tight tummy. chest toward the thigh. You can put your hand on your thigh for support in the back. That's it. Allow that air out. Blow out. Come toward the thigh, and you've got a nice deep stretch. Back to thighs. 4, 3, 2, come on back. Out of that one more time. A big inhale.
Atay. Sayaw kayo. Relax muna. Relax muna. Nanibago.
Hindi kasi nakainom ng tuba ah.
O, yan na. Hindi tayo sa mga shout out sa Canada. Shout out sa anak niyo sa Canada. Mahihayin si Brother Emil ah. Susuko na eh.
Lord.
Hirap. Tulong mo na yan.
Nawat.
Kakain pa tayo?
Di pa, wala pa eh.
Bibili pa yung pagkain.
Ganado pa sumayaw eh. Ang sarap ng hangin. Ayan si Rowena oh. I-pray na tayo. Oh, pray na.
Sa aming buong katawan, mula ulod yan hanggang talampakan. In Jesus' name, Amen.
Oh, picture na tayo? Sige.
Nag-diet nga!
Yung sa 24, medyo mahaba-haba pa. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo lang. Sara lang yata to ah. Pinalo. Liit mo. Nag-reduce ano? Oo, nag-reduce na ako. Hanggang dito.
Hindi pa napapatupad yung
Talaga.
20 pesos na ano eh. Kilo ng biyak.
Ako po nagsati kanina dyan. Sige po, kuha mo. Sarap ng pansit na init pa eh. Oy, kain lang kayo.
Tanong ko nilang ganina, sabi niya wala pa. O ano? Ano na tayo doon? Wala pa yata.
Kaya nga, walang pinito. May darating daw na kape. Uy, paano to?
Templado na yun. Lord si Starbucks.
Sarap ng simoy ng hangin, no?
Ito kayo magbigay. Kasi may puto ka na. Walang yan.
Pwede to.
Hindi pa.
Ah, yung pinit.
Sabi ko, sabihin mo lang para matay. Kaya ng nahulog ako, wala nang tira. Ano na?
Kamayan mo, para maraming ano.
Kamay.
Kinakamay na nga yung kutsara.
Sa Baguio.
Dumarating na yung kape.
Kain tayo.
Abutan nga siya.
Magpat-pat.
Pati niya yan. Ito ako nagagamit. Sayang ah.
Ito ako nagtimpla nito.
Lalo masiya pag ginagamit.
Binubog ko yata yung isang kilong sukal ah.
Tapos na yung hit doon.
Madami silang asukal.
Tumawa yung diabetes ah. Wow!
Pangilan pa, dalawa pa.
Sweet daw siya, sweet.
Hapon.
Ano ba ito?
Pinangalanan yung may kung mandi ng ayun, may black, may brown. Kung gusto niyo yung brown.
O, kanino yung kape?
Galing pa rin.
Ate kami ni... Ito.
Ay, ang dami oh.
Ano ba? Hati na lang. Hati-hati na lang.
Tama yung pao.
Dami na po po yan. Ang birthday mo ba?
Hindi dali.
Alam na birthday sa Saturday of the year.
Sunod.
Thank you po. Thank you.
May pangalan eh.
Sino pito?
Tayo kami.
Init na eh. Ito pa. Marami pa. Oo.
Ano yan?
Kapi, ito oh, ang dami.
Anong kape yan? Starbucks. Anong kape nga yan? Kape ko? Ayaw ko ng kape ko.
Kape, ano great taste? Yes, kape creamy white. Hindi naman 3-in-1.
Dapat pangalan.
Gusto mo? Black coffee?
Good.
Ako brown.
Meron na bang may-ari? Wala lang ka daw. Ayaw ni Jojo. Lang ka. Brown.
Ano ba brown? Ito, great taste white.
Mahati. Ito kayo ito.
Huwag kang wala maubos yan.
Puto.
Tama naman kami. Sabi ni ano, matay ko daw kami. Tama lang. Tama lang.
Hindi, pag mas matatakulang. Kasa yun.
Nilalagyan niya asukal pero hindi niya nahalo. Walang kakagawa niya sa kape. Nilagyan niya maraming asukal. Sabi niya, kabang!
Nagreklamo kay maubos daw yung asukal niya. Ang sabi niya? Sabi niya, ang dami mo ng asukal. Ang dami maubos yung asukal ko ah.
Diniro na kita.
Pusin niyo na. Kahit itugtog ko sa mga anak ko, ayaw ko dito. Oo, ako nagtutay.
Kaya ayaw nila.
Pag ganoon tayo sa today, i-charging visa.
Alam? Anong ginawa ko? Huwag lang mag-ipon ng rapida.
Check na natin lahat.
Masama ako sa rapida.
Kung walang kontrabida, walang bida.
Ayaw mo talaga
Tabi mo yung camera.
Ayaw nila.
Puro talaga total.
Puro kakanin. Ito, pansit. Dapat maglaan ka pa ulit. Para makalive tamis.
Ayaw mo?
Ito pa, oh. Panakalo.
Dito ako napunta banda dito. Bicol. Naman na lang ako.
Baka ayaw nyo na mapangisan.
Di ba?
Hindi, pag-uulak ko yung
Dapat tayo magiging patabang. Yung nagluto. Paalam tayo. Hindi kaya ko.
Nagdagang pa ng patis.
High blood ka rin. Dapat si tatay bago mo ka-USB ko. Bayat na yun. Kamar? Oo, wait lang.
Yung anak. Ano nga pala yung bagay doon? Ayaw mo lang sa pagkano. Yung likod ng tatay sa puro tubig.
Aftercare po yun, sila ng instruction. So kung okay na po, sana po yung ating donation process.
Yung sa palayan, yun, mga dati sa amin, dalang ganun yun. Nawala, ano, pang 1960s, 70s, ganyan. Paano sa buwan, sa buwan.
Kung po kayo bibitaw, baka po may mga katanungan kayo. Konting minuto na lang, Dr. Roberto, bilang na ating pagbabalik, sasagutin natin ang mga katanungan at babasahin natin.
Ate Helen, naroon. Kasi nakita namin dito si Jojo. Ako lang sa punta. Makugat pala yung naroon.
yung mga namamagasigat lang.
Kaya, pati kita kamay. Kulang ano pa lang ah.
Di ba pinapawas? Tigitin nyo lang, tigitin mo kasi hindi yung gagaling. Kaya nga, sabi ko, sigaw mo lang mga
Sigaw mo lang, Darna! Darna! Biyak pa to! Naihina.
Natama ko yung ayaw ng dayo.
Lamig yun eh. Talaga lamig. Wala, depende. Pag ganyan,
Oo, nagpamasahe ako eh.
Pero kasama na yung hilot.
May salamin.
Kasi gusto ko yung
Pegasus. Yung ayaw kita ba eh.
Sa kanya sinabdan lang. Kasi ano mula hanggang ulo dito yung isang gano'n na pigas ito pusin niya.
katawan eh, ginagod ko na
Kasi ito pagtapos. Sabi pa naman siya yung gusto. Apo. Yan lang mo. Oh, sabi ko, stop the story. Yun lang.
yung magaling siya nga.
Lagi sa tabi namin. Naghihilot din siya dun sa laundry. Nakain tawad sa laundry. Hindi, kiso na yun. Sa yung tao doon, pantay sa laundry.
Ano ba kayo niya? Yung
Bakit si Magano?
maganda yung ano, yung Omega, kundi isa.
Yung Omega.
Omega painkiller.
Pero mas matindi yung ano, yung oil wintergreen.
Ah.
Tapang baguhan ka lang naghaplos eh. Parang mapapasok ka.
Yung ano ba yun? Betet. Meron isa Chinese betet ba yun?
Bitaday.
Ah, betet? Ah, betet. Mainit yun.
Pero pinakamainit yung
Parang susunod ka katawan ko doon.
Pero ang ano talaga, tatulungan natin ito, pinagkakaharap natin talaga. Bipurin. Grabe.
Mix ba?
Hindi. Roll on yun ah. Pag ano sa balat mo talagang parang may sili. Bipurin. Kaya dito, roll on sa Mindanao.
Betet lang, matapang lang.
Ay nako, lamang pa sa bitit, wala yan. Bipurin, grabe.
Wala parami. Langis-langis pa yun.
Ano ba gusto kami?
Isang ito
Ano
ah.
pa dito?
Akin po yan.
Ay ko, Patrick.
Ito pa, ito kalahati ba ito? May kalahati na nakikita mo yan.
Ubusin nyo ng kape, sayang.
Ito may buo.
Sayang.
Ito pa. Kopi ko black. Kopi ko black. Sabay gusto. Pagkain natin. Ayaw ko.
Kung ano, ito ba?
Ano pa? Mabilis na. Ay, may isa pang kape.
Wala parami.
May gusto. Ayaw nyo na.
Tuba.
Magtuba nag-agop siya eh. Sayang naman to. Pansin pa.
Ah, si Juday oh, dumaan. Ito na. Juday. Ay, wala na.
Hindi naman. Pera yun eh. 2.3 yun eh.
Oh, hindi yun. Gan ba yun? Gan?
Ano, tulog ba yung pag dumaan kayo? Ah, yun na lang mo yan? Ah, sana ko. Ay, doon na lang ganda nga doon. Para pag pinakanta natin si Pe, alis to yan. Kasi, memorize. Wala na siyang boses. Ang nakasaka sa boses niya. Sabi niya, wala pang boses. Pero narinig, layo, narinig.
Laglag nga yung buti kayo, nasa isa mo.
Ayaw ko na. Ayaw ko na.
Kailangan may gawin kayo ni Ate Pe. Ano na naman?
Sige tayo? Bakit?
May boses ka naman.
Okay na para may kalat. Basta hindi sayang to. Hindi na ano.
Oo, ayun, sumusuko ka sa microphone. Sumusuko ka sa microphone, ha? Ayun, tayo eh, wala. Nakaporto.
Uwi mo na. Ayun na lang yan.
Hindi naman baso.
Luto! Ito pa yung ito. Bigay ko sa ato ko.
Yung walang magasgas nila.
Dito na, kumanta mo. Mapapakanta niyo daw si Mang Rene.
Ay, magkakataon nyo na, Mang Rene.
Sound check.
You're my word. You're my own. Hindi ka tatawin sa... Ikaw muna oh. Ikaw muna. Ay, simulan mo na, simulan mo. Ay, si Joe! Si Joe! You're my word! Sige na! Sige na, Joe! Ay, kabisado mo yan! Ayan, sige! Ayan!
Check my love. With you. Resting I feel a power so divine. You're my world, you are my night and day. You're my word, you're every prayer I pray. If our love ceases to be, that is the end of my world, end of my world for me. To think I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just want to hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I've heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love, I ever did before. My love, I ever did before.
tagay mo kanta.
Tagay.
Walang nang pananang.
Walang sa gasolina.
Ay, kami daw kape.
Tama na yung napanap dito, guys.
Ikaw nung adik eh.
Ano ba kantahin mo?
Ayun na, oh, meron pa.
Ano ba?
who have no one adore you and want to show. I guess I know with nothing to give even all. I love you.
Hello, baabo na.
Wala ko wala na eh.
They can take you any place you want. The bouncing clouds around us, but I can only watch you with my nose pressed up against the window pane. I have nothing. I have no one. Must watch you go dashing by, rocking the arms of somebody else and learning to die. Who loves you? I love you. I love you.
Diyan kay Jo ba? Si Jo.
Ano ba? Ano ba wala ka ng mga bote?
Ano bang kantahin mo?
Sige na, sige manginil.
Sige na. Oh, tamyo, sige na. Sige, pag di mo natapos, tapusin mo. Oh, kaya nga, pag di mo natapos, tapusin mo. Sige. Sige na. Sige na.
I draw the flickering shadows of love on a blind.
Ito ang nagyayaya eh. Ay, hindi ako magyayaya.
My woman, as she deceived me, I watch her run out of my mind. My Delilah. Why, Delilah? So before they come to break down the door, forgive me, Delilah, I just couldn't take anymore.
Kapag nakasimula yan, Simmer.
Ano kakantay mo? Ano nyo?
Mauna muna kayo.
Ano? Ano? Ha?
Senyorita nga daw. Senyorita. Senyorita yun.
Ano yun?
Oo nga po.
Kaya ang salamin niya naman kasi sa parang hindi na sa
Wala naman nata, no? Hindi po.
Victor Road yata yun ah.
Ibang init ang post ng medley. Wala. Lagi nagpapasearch ng medley.
Pinutin mo. Ah. Ibalik mo muna sa umpisa. Nililat ang umpisa. Balik mo. Balik mo. Para mag-umpisa.
Ulit ha?
Oh, yan. Yan. Yeah, bantayan mo.
Señorita, it's up to you. Señorita, what will you do? Tell me that you love me completely. When you say that you'll be my queen, my lovely little queen, you need that. When you say that you'll be my queen, my lovely little queen, my señorita, my teenage señorita.
Cliff Richard.
Sweet Caroline. Wala ka, oh. Kira. Where it became.
Dalawang maglubulo.
It's always was in the spring, and spring became the summer. Who had to leave you come along? Touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe they never would, but now I look at the night and it don't seem so lonely. We've been out with only two. And when I heard right on my shoulders, how can my heart when holding you? Warm, touching on, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe they never move. Oh no, no. The times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe they never would. Sweet Caroline, the times never seem so good.
Puro Victor Wood pala yan. Yung Carmelita ang gusto mo. Pwede tsatsahan yun eh.
Wala may score.
Learn anything, anywhere, at any time, for free.
Ayun, yan ba ang ikanta mo kanina, Jo?
There are thousands of online courses taught by real-world experts on Allison.
Sunod, mga mata ni Angelita. Mga mata ni Angelita.
Siguro din.
Hindi lang nagkaintindihan.
Maganda sa bayan yung Victor.
Wala ka picturon na.
Hello.
Let me love you, Carmelita. Let me kiss and hold you tight. But I beg this time affection from your direction, night after night. Let me love you, Carmelita. You don't know what I go through. It's the fun of me, I'm thirsting. My heart is thirsting. My love for you. Did your mother ever tell you you're the reason why to kiss? I'm a man and you're a woman. It's only you and who wanna squeeze. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and then I will be my boss and peso on your own say-so. We'll kiss again. Did your mother ever tell you what is this and try to kiss? I'm a man and you're a woman. It's only you and who wanna squeeze. Let me love Rita. Just one tender kiss and then I will bet my boss one peso on your own say-so. We'll kiss again.
Let me love you,
Carmelita, just one tender kiss and then I will thank you, Carmelita. I was have to beg again. Let me love you, Carmelita.
Plan your perfect stay with Agoda. Cozy, fancy, or budget-friendly, we've got it all. Book now with Agoda.
Commercial na ito.
Ano yung pinindot ko dyan?
Hindi na nga eh, nagpa-commercial lang. O yan, how can I tell her?
Ay, hindi ito tayo.
How can I tell her?
Sabi niya.
Maganda rin ka tayo na.
Ano ba kanta yan?
Ano?
Lobo?
She knows when I'm lost. She cries when I'm sad. She's up in the charts. She's down in the bad. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But boy, she doesn't know about you. I can tell her my troubles. She makes them all seem right. I could make up excuses not to hold her hand. We can talk of tomorrow. I tell her the things that I wanna do. But boy, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her I don't miss her? Never ran away. How can I say to you I think of every single night and day? But when is it easy telling someone the truth? Oh girl, help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? Ooh,
Sasayaw kayo, sayawan na. Kansa, kansa.
Ay, magkano ang bayad mo sa pagkilo? Ito na lang, music ka lang ito. Ay, sinervisan ka.
Masarap ang joy ng pamilya at Chicken Joyous.
Sir, labas! Labas, mga dancer!
Against the light eh. Thank you. Uwi na. Bye-bye. See you Monday. Oy, for the boys bukas. Brother Joe, for the boys bukas. Bukas, for the boys.
For the boys, bukas.
Ah, sige, for the boys.
Nauna kami doon. Dapat mamaya pa kayo, mauna kami.
Oh.